up, YouTube? What's up, man? What's going on? What's going on, man? How y'all doing? Hey. Sunshine. Sun is out. Feeling nice, feeling good. Yeah. So for you all don't know, my name is Jai. I'm originally from Jamaica. Living here in Seattle, Washington. This weather is bipolar as hell. But, it's what it is. It's just what it is. It's just one of them things you have to get used to. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So, today I kind of wanted to share something with you guys. I just wanted to share. So I heard about this. So I do Lyft as a side hustle from time to time. And one day I was doing Lyft and I picked up this lady. And when we picked up this lady, we kind of started talking and, just getting to know people, being friendly, being nice, learning about other people, what they do, She told me about what she's doing. It's a side hustle. She also have a job, and this that I'm about to share, she does it on her own time, really. And it really involves you just moving a truck. Well, not a truck, but like a van. And I decided to go to one of the locations where some of the vans are, or the kind of van. And I decided to go to the location so y'all can see. This is one of the Amazon locations. I think this one is Tacula. Yeah, so this is Amazon in Tacula. This truck right here, if you can see the name right there. Zoom in. No. Yeah, that's the name right there. That's the name of the company. So you literally and let me show you the size of the truck. So it's like one of those Amazon delivery vans, and I'll show you that in a second. So Amazon delivery van right here. It's kind of like the same size, really, in a sense, but it's close enough, So yeah, so these are some of the trucks I'm guessing they use to commercially, they use it to deliver, packages or whatever. I'm not sure what they do with them. I don't know. All I know is the lady that I spoke to, she mentioned to me that hi. Yes, give me just a second. My Lyft, well, I gotta move, and I gotta move without my car, so I am taking a Lyft. Hold on a second. Yeah, so as I was saying, what's up, boss? Let me just double check that I have my AirPod and it's not left in that thing. Okay, all right, cool. Yeah. So as I was saying, those are the vans, and I made sure I have the van in the background so you guys can see when I'm making this video. So what she told me is you literally just drive the van from one location to the next and drop it off. So they give you the pickup location. You drive your own car there and park your car, and you'll text them, and they will unlock the van for you. And once they unlock the van for you, then you start and move it to the next location and drop it off, and if you have another, if they have another one that they want you to move, they will also send that information to you, so you get to confirm, or not confirm if you want to do that or not. But if you want to do it, they'll send you the information to the vehicle number, and you will literally you go where the vehicle is. So say for example, after you have 2 moves or 3 moves, you'll drive your vehicle to the first one, you pick it up, you drop it off. And if the pickup is not the same location that you're dropping off, what they're gonna do is they're gonna order you a Lyft from that location to the other location of the other truck. And you'll pick that one up, and then you'll take it to the drop-off location, and then you'll keep doing that, so you'll get another Lyft to the other location. Now, say for example, you only had 3. So after you make like your 3rd drop-off, what they're gonna do is get you a Lyft and take you back to your car. Yeah, so the original spot that you pick up the first truck, you'll get the Lyft there. So yeah, you pick up the truck from point A, drop it off at point B, and if it's just one truck, they'll get you a Lyft to go back to where your car is. But you have to initially drive to the original location to start. They won't get you a Lyft from your house there. So yeah, that's how this is. So pretty much they pay $20-something an hour. It's not less than $20 for sure, and it's not less than 22. You can look it up online. So it's Fluid Trucks, FLUID trucks, and it's pretty, from what she explained and how it's been, it's pretty decent. You do by the hour, so they pay you by the hour. And recently I noticed that they have an app that once you get set up and everything, after a while you can use the app to unlock the van yourself, so you don't have to text them, but they will reach out to you and let you know, hey, we have a move in this area, do you want to do it? And you can either say yeah or nay, and they send you the details and you confirm it, and yeah, you have it locked in. So that's the side hustle. It's pretty simple. It's just driving around. You don't need a CDL. So yeah, I just wanted to share that. So if y'all are looking for something to do on the side after you get off your 9 to 5 or whatnot, if this is in your area, if you want to consider it, cool. But I thought I'd share. Thanks. Peace. Hope you guys have a good day. Bye.